I knew I saw a Ferris wheel, and I'm like, nah, there's no way there's a Ferris wheel there.
There's two over there.
But there is one, and there's a big, huge amphitheater. We have reached Tampa, guys.
Too much Beverly, this is what it does to you.
Yes! That's a good one.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed to around the run today. We're really on our way, yeah.
They're like,
Oh, you...
Got the good old party mode, okay? Soon we're on our way, yeah. And our friends sure will tag along, 'cause today's the day.
Tom said he was disappointed because we're not staying at the Hard Rock Casino. You sure it's a casino?
Yeah.
How's it a casino? It's not on an Indian reservation.
Apparently it is.
Ooh, Seminole. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Currently, we are in St. Petersburg. Gonna eat at this Tiki Skyway bar and grill at a marina. And there's a dog.
Oh, there you are.
We're going to eat and you have a dog?
yes.
How do we have a dog with us?
Hi, sweetie.
This is a dog-friendly restaurant.
Oh, that explains why. Hi, little girl.
Hi, sweetheart.
I just texted you.
Hi, little girl.
And it's like a 10 to 8.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
Look at this.
Look. Oh, I don't mean sit down. Wookie research team. That's awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, watch what she does when Tom stops petting her. Okay.
What? What do you want? What do you want?
Oh, somebody was coming, so it didn't work that time. Oh, you're coming over to me. I saw that paw. Oh, our table's ready already? Cool.
Yes.
Huh. All right. Let's go eat, Thea. Let's go eat.
What do you want? Oh my God.
Ready? No, we're not jumping up.
It's like, please. Crab sandwich. And comes with fries.
Now she's
And
being good.
yeah, now because you have some. Looks very good. And a BLT over here with somebody like could care less about the dog over there anymore, which was her main focus. And look, she's actually licking her lips. Poor baby. It's funny to see the bar across like the parking lot. But hey, wherever they can put it. And he's already digging into his grouper sandwich. Is it good? Good.
Are you filming your food or the dog?
Dog. Because every now and then that paw goes back. The paw's on the chair right now. Oh, she gave up. She was scratching my leg. Ooh, the lights have cut on now. I like lights. Which I need to ask, where's our vehicle gonna be? Okay, we had plans to leave some of the stuff in the vehicle, but when we found out we were gonna be on a surface lot in the city, not in a garage, like this, you know, stuff, my gifts and stuff, we were gonna keep in the car, but we decided not to. So only one luggage cart will fit in the elevator at a time. So Tom's got the second cart. But check out like the pipes, the old doors. Check out that. Why does it say hotel lobby that way? Pretty tall doors. 231 is where we are.
Who knows what?
Sorry guys, I'm trying to find lights. Hold on. Tip number 1, don't come with a lot of luggage here. It's really kind of awkward. Really tall ceilings, because obviously it's a old building which had tall ceilings. Really low bed. Very contemporary themed. Looks like maybe we have a lock off. Have a chair, refrigerator, I hope. Yep, little refrigerator. Nice. High up. I like this. It's high up.
Yeah.
TV. And then there's a pool on the street. Wonder what this used to be. Probably parking at one time. Okay. And it's a really wide bathroom. Shoot, we can store suitcases here, which we might do. So lots and lots of room in the bathroom. And I know it's not going to come off on camera how much room there actually is. So get a close-up of our brand. So we have peppermint shampoo and cilantro hair conditioner.
I thought you were going to say salami hair conditioner.
Sage body wash and vitamin B body moisturizer.
Door faucets with laminar flow like that. They are the best.
Oh, and the soap is lime and a makeup remover wipe. Oh, now you can smell? It's still very faint. Almost smells like powder.
Yeah, a little bit almost. Yeah, I can see that.
I have a pretty large makeup mirror. That's larger than most. And again, very large shower. So I see they only give us 2 bath towels, so we will end up needing more because I actually use 2. I use one for my hair and one for my body, and then that means Tom doesn't have one. And once we get this stuff out of here, I kind of show you more of the hallway. Oh my. So this, okay, yeah, let us get this out and I'll show you more. Okay, got some Contempo pictures. Now, we ended up having to fill this up, but let me show you what we got. This is pretty IKEA-ish, kind of cool. So 2 pull-outs here. I like the shelves. You got extra space up here. This is just stuff that we would have left in the vehicle that we weren't going to need here, because that's how we kind of packed. What we weren't going to need anymore went in those. But obviously, yeah, we weren't gonna leave the stuff in the vehicle. And ironing board back there. Plenty of hangers. The tall doors they just yell Courthouse, don't they? Privacy, please. And then we have a long mirror here. So, you ready to go see some more? Oh, safe. And let's see. So this side, remote outlets does not, so you got more plug-ins over here. And yeah, so you got more over here. Like all sorts of outlets because you got one there. So that side has less. And let's see, it's a pretty big, how much light this gives off. There's, yeah, no lights on the ceiling. All right, what do you guys think? I had no idea there were such things as a smart fridge in hotel rooms. Oh, I forgot to mention, it's 9:29 now, so, well, 9:31 now. So we're just now getting settled in. So Tom asked, what makes a smart fridge? I don't know, so he's going to tell us.
It's got an on-off, and it's got a snooze control, and then a quick cool, which could actually be really cool.
Tom is struggling because he has no microwave to make coffee in the morning. As a matter of fact, no coffee maker.
Well, I mean, I just like
But
water and use instant.
yeah. I guess that's what they meant, coffee in the lobby at 7.
I believe
Guess
so.
it's included.
It looks like that's what's on the menu. There's no top sheet on the bed. Comforter. And when you pull up the thing I'm sitting on over here, there's like a mattress and a mattress pad.
So I just got in the bed and found the sheet.
Oh!
I just ripped the sheet. Did y'all hear that tear? So they like, what the world? Okay, I found it and I started pulling it up. It was like at the foot of the bed. What the heck is going on? Yeah, we don't know what they did, but they did not like, it was all at the bottom. It's like, I don't know what they did, how they did that. It was bunched up like in a line down here, and I started pulling it with my hand. Yeah, totally. What is wrong? Okay, we're sorry, guys.
This is...
Oh, I just ripped it again. What is that? Is that a duvet cover?
That's what I'm wondering. Yeah, that's...
Okay, it's together here.
Here, let's just... Here, let's just...
Let's just do this.
Yeah.
We're sorry, guys. Having issues here. That was really weird. Okay, well now we have a sheet.
Okay, I don't really think I missed anything.
No, whatever it was balled down here.
Yeah, it's just, what the heck?
Okay. Well, there you go. There's y'all's entertainment tonight and me ripping the sheets more than once. Tom motioned for me to come in here and he was brushing his teeth because he's like, this is weird. Part of it's mirror and then it's like frosted glass. And he's like, and what are these numbers on the side? And then I'm looking and I'm like,
there's a date.
I'm like, July 6, 1974, July 6, 1974, National Register of Historic Places. That's when it became, and that's its number of historic places. This is why you got me, honey. I'm the history buff. We love that they turned this historic courthouse into a hotel. It is really, really unique. So make sure you come back, subscribe, hit the bell notification button so you can see our exploration of this hotel.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed and we're on the run today.